Why'd you put our Paris to sleep?
'Cause fuck you.
Hello, everybody.
Power here.
With more Pokemon Fire Poo.
Okay.
Woo! Okay, in the last episode, we caught the greatest Pokemon of all time, Magikarp.
Yeah. The real
But
universe.
because he's so OP, we had to leave him in the PC.
Yeah. No, it wouldn't be fun. It wouldn't be fair either.
Buying 10 Pokeballs.
Why?
Because we're almost out. That a good reason?
No.
Well, too bad. Okay, do you have the list for Route... Oh, 11?
Route 11.
Let's go, but don't cheat.
Alright, so we have Spearow,
We have that.
Ekans,
We
and Drowsy.
Wait, is Ekans in this one, or is that Leaf Green only?
He's in this one. Sandshrews in Leaf Green only. Ekans is in this
Oh.
one.
Did we oh wait, we already caught Ekans, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. But now we
So
need
we only need Drowsy.
Drowsy.
Go Anti-Hover. I keep wanting to read his name as Anti-Hoover, like the vacuum.
Yeah.
And we've murdered a snake.
Wow.
WWJD.
What?
WWJD?
What would Jesus do?
No. What would Jim do?
Ow.
Actually, it would be WWH. Yeah, it was H, right?
I don't fucking know.
Ocarina of Time, Jim.
Yeah, it was H.
So it'd be WWHD.
Yeah.
TV. The game just paused. Sorry.
Uh-huh.
Skype turned the audio down too much on me. I can't hear it.
Okay.
And now I turned it up too loud.
Wow.
There we go. Why'd you put our Paris to sleep?
'Cause fuck you.
Is that Poliwag talking?
Yeah.
That's Poliwag's voice.
Yeah.
So imitate it using bubble.
Fuck you.
1 second, 1 second. Pause, and we're back.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Now what's Poliwag saying?
What? Fuck you.
That's it.
His voice gets higher and higher as his health gets lower and lower.
So, what does he sound like now that he's dead?
Well, he doesn't say anything because he's dead.
So what does he sound like now that he's dead?
I just fucking told you he doesn't say anything because he's dead. Oh, actually, you know what? It is so high it's like a dog whistle, so that's why you can't hear it.
Oh, okay. Is that why the Growlithe all died?
Yep.
And that is how Growlithe became a prehistoric Pokemon. Every night in our dreams. Should have a montage of Growlithe, like, remembered.
Oh,
Can we dedicate this episode to Growlithe?
I guess so. Wait, Growlithe's not in this game?
Yes, they are.
What the hell are we dedicating it to then?
Growlithe. Did you not just hear that the Poliwag's whistle so high killed all the Growlithe?
No, I didn't. I didn't hear that at all.
Well, pay attention.
Don't tell me what to do.
I just did. 1 second. Back. Hello, everybody. Sorry about that.
Gosh.
We resume.
Until someone else interrupts.
If someone does.
If someone does, probably.
Okay. We need Drowsy, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we need Drowsy.
Okay. So nothing else matters on this route?
Nope.
Yep, we have Ekans. I think the only Pokemon we've missed so far is Leader and Female.
Yeah, what are you talking about? We have one. Whoops.
You know what I mean.
No, I don't. 'Cause we
It's
have...
a Poozy.
That's his name now, Poozy.
Poozy?
Yes.
Poozy. I'm gonna stun him. And he puts me to sleep. Confucius say, be stunned.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm so used to playing Left 4 Dead. The run button in this is the fire button when you're not in fire mode. And the way you use health items is what the run button, which is L2 in Left 4 Dead. I mean, in Dead Space. So I keep accidentally fucking drinking everything I need to heal, trying to run.
Ah, I need to run away from this thing. Why'd I do that? I'm Isaac Clarke, a descendant of the legendary animal Bakugan,
Yes.
which is said to eat dreams. It is skilled at hypnotizement.
You know, while we're on the topic of, kind of on the topic of Dead Space, I don't like how he talks. The fact that he talks in Dead Space 2.
So you want to name him Poozy?
Yes.
Like that? Like that?
I'm sorry, hold on. Yeah, no. P-O-O-Z-E-E.
That? Poozy.
Yes, Poozy.
Poozy. Poozy was transferred to Build PC. It was placed in Box 7. 1.
Okay.
I just became a trainer, but I think I can win.
Oh, I'm about to fucking crush your dreams, mate.
That was deep.
Yeah.
That was so deep that it's deeper than the shallow end.
It's pretty deep.
That was so deep it was deeper than the center of the earth.
Okay.
Sandshrew, you need to die, please.
Why?
So Paris doesn't die.
Okay.
I'm actually gonna use a potion. If I told you that you could win $1 million simply by pressing a button,
Yeah.
but if you press that button, money would have no value, would you do it?
No!
Why?
Because money has no fucking value.
But you'd have $1 million.
That is worth nothing.
But you'd get rid of all the evil in the world too, because money would no longer be worth anything, and it's already the root of all evil.
Yeah, but how do you know that someone won't find some other way to be evil?
Because cocaine doesn't exist without money.
That is also not true.
Only if you want to look at it from that angle.
What do you mean, the correct angle?
The logic angle.
Which is the angle you should be looking at it from. Ah, fuck, I did it again. Just drinking everything I need.
Hey, this health potion will come in real handy later when I'm being mauled by zombies.
Whoops.
So we just crushed this kid's hopes and dreams.
Good, fuck him.
I don't think he's of the proper age for that. I raise my Pokemon carefully. Dash be ready now. Youngster Dave. I'm meter and male. If I told you that you could get $1 million if you just press the button, but if you press the button, money would no longer have value, would you press the button?
Maybe.
If I told you you could win $1 million just by pressing a button, but when you press this button, all of your fingers and toes cease to exist.
Definitely not.
No? Why not?
Because because I would buy video games with that money.
That's it?
Huh?
That's it?
Pretty much.
Just video games?
Pretty much.
Not guitars?
Maybe
Scooby-Doo memorabilia?
Maybe like a really stupidly nice guitar.
That's shaped in the face. That's shaped as Scooby's face.
Yes.
Oh, Dinky King died.
No! What are we gonna do?
Send out anti-hover to just completely wreck house. You learn disable.
Wow.
Thug, you're poisoned, but you need experience, so go. So,
Go on.
if I told you you could press a button and gain any superpower you wanted, but if you press the button, you lose control of your balance, would you press the button?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't want to lose control of my bowels.
So you know what you wish for is for superpower?
What?
The ability to control your bowels.
But then it's just fucking forfeit because you just wasted the superpower that you were supposed to fucking wish for.
But now you can use your superpowers to control your bowels and fire poop rockets at people.
Yes, how fucking mature. People tell me all the time about my toilet. Here you are talking about shit rockets.
That's not what I said.
Poop rockets. Shit rockets, same thing.
No, one's vulgar.
Watch out for live wires!
You were not wearing that on the overworld.
Nope.
It's a Magnemite. So, would you press the button if you could have whatever you wanted? Absolutely anything.
Yeah.
But in exchange, you have to die in 24 hours.
Yeah, because then I can just say, I don't want to die in 24 hours, and then I maintain the powers and still have it. Because you said anything I wanted, there was no stipulation, so therefore, get fucked.
Well, anything, so it's only one thing you can wish for.
Anything?
Yeah, one thing.
That's really stupid, because usually when people say that, that's not what they fucking mean.
If you could have anything, not if you could have a bunch of things.
Well then I would wish for having a lot of things I can wish for that thing to be undone, and then keep wishing for shit.
If you press the button and you could get a magical genie, that would grant you 3 wishes.
Yeah.
But if you press the button, you forget what a genie does, and you can never actually make the wish because you've forgotten how to make a wish.
What the fuck is the point of that question?
Exactly. You should try giving me some. Dinky King is dead.
If you could push a button and live in any video game universe you so chose, but once you choose the video game universe, you could, bro. That's a good. I think that's a good thing.
You aren't so you're just living an everyday life in the video game. Pokemon.
Yeah, but that doesn't. Pokemon,
well, I mean,
really.
you don't need to be red to have fun in the Pokemon world. I think I made my case.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Try again.
Alright. Alright, so if you could push a button for world peace. God damn it, I fucking did it again. Every single fucking time. If you could push the button, there would be world peace. However, every 100 years, there's a mass die-off.
What do you mean?
Like, there's, like every 100... No, like, every, I guess we could say 30 years, because that seems more reasonable. A bunch of fucking people just drop dead.
Am I ever part of those people?
It's random every time.
It's random.
Random. But it's...
So they use a random number generator to determine who's gonna die?
No. It's just a random circumstance.
No, I wouldn't.
Alright.
Would you?
No.
If you could become Isaac Clarke.
No. It's already no. I don't want to be Isaac Clarke.
But if you don't push the button, you lose everything that makes you a man.
I fucking did it once again.
So would you push the button?
No.
So you'd rather lose everything that makes you a man?
Yep. I would rather be a fucking woman than be Isaac Clarke.
No, you don't become a woman.
So what the hell are you talking about? We're not talking about genitalia?
Yep. You have nothing.
I don't understand.
It's just nothing. There's nothing there.
So I become a fucking Ken doll.
Yes.
I guess I just have to suck it up and be Isaac Clarke.
You don't want to be a Ken doll?
No!
Why not?
Do you really want an answer to this question?
No. On a scale of 1 to 11.
Yeah.
How much did you die?
I haven't died yet, so 0.
0 was the highest. Meaning you've died 1.5 million times. Dinky King has died again.
You fucking suck.
He's dying in one
You
hit.
need to level grind.
I don't want to.
You have to.
I don't have to.
Look at how low.
It's because of how I've been training. I'm training Pokemon and then depositing them once they evolve and grabbing weaker Pokemon.
I've never won before. Let him win.
No. That's not how it works.
You're an animal.
Actually, his Growlithe is dead. Magnitude. Oh, he's got a Vulpix. Let's murder it. Snowball leveled up.
Oh yeah.
I found an escape rope.
Awesome.
Dude, you okay? Dude?
No.
Dude!
That's the noises he's making.
So you're gonna make the noise every time he does it then?
No.
Now you gotta read his voice because you did that.
I'm the best in my class! I train every morning!
Did you take speed today, dude? The heck was that? You okay, man?
Falls to the ground with foaming at the mouth.
Roll your Pokeball out so we can finish this battle so I can call an ambulance for you. You okay, man? Man, you okay? Paris, hurry up and kill his Pokemon so he doesn't die. If you die in the game, you die for real.
Yes, that's totally what happens.
Hurry up, Paris! Kill his things! I think he's dead.
Probably.
I'm gonna poke him with a stick. Poke, poke. Oh man, he's still alive.
Gets up like The Exorcist or something.
The Exorcist of Emily Rose.
It's talking about 1970s film.
Oh.
Your mother sucks cocks in hell. It's from the movie. Have you never seen The Exorcist?
No.
Oh.
Doesn't interest me.
Gosh.
I'm not a fan of scary movies.
I'm not really that big into them either.
One second.
God.
Sorry.
Yep.
We're back. If I even cut that out. We defeated youngster Yasu. Hey.
Dad! I'm not ready to be sugar!
He's no longer moving.
I'm sad now.
We killed him.
Dead. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Run away! No, wait, drink! Fa 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 fa! I've never lost! Did you drink your potion?
No, I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to read him, and I was in the middle of a boss fight.
Oh. And you forgot you were in a boss fight?
No, it just started without really any warning.
Oh. Snowball grew to level 20. I think Snowball's our highest level Pokemon.
Really?
Great Ball. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
Okay.
Hi, dude. I'm looking for the Pokemon Nidorino. Want to trade it for my Nidorino? No. Let's see. Little binoculars, Lavender Town. Binoculars, a big Pokemon asleep on the road. You useful at all? Hi, I'm on Professor Oak's aid. If your Pokedex is completed with the 30 species supposed to give you a reward. And you obtained. Uh-oh, you've only got 28. I know where we can go to catch 2 Pokemon.
Your mother?
Your mother is a cow.
I'll tell my mom you said that.
She won't believe you.
Yes, she will.
No, she won't.
Yes, she will.
It's a truth, see?
You've already caught everything on this road.
I know. I've beat all the trainers on the road, too. I'm going to heal them.
Okay.
And then I'm going into Diglett's cave.
Alright.
I already know what I can catch there. There's only 2 Pokemon that appear.
Do we have either of those Pokemon?
No. There's one of those. I'm not catching.
Why?
I'm kidding. The life just was sucked out of your voice when you said that. Why? It's everything I've lived for.
It is everything I live for.
You'll always love Diglett, won't you?
Yep.
And apparently Diglett scratched me and put itself to sleep. So you nicknamed Poozy, so it's my turn to nickname Diglett.
Yeah.
It burrows through the ground at shallow depths. It leaves raised earth in its wake, making it easy to spot. There we go. What do you think?
Hold on, I'm gonna fight. Hulkster, yes.
Hulkster the Diglett.
We gotta put that meme where it shows the whole body of Diglett.
There's a lot of different memes that do that.
Yeah, but we have to show at least one of them.
Maybe. Can't escape, dang it. No, you're paralyzed, Diglett, so die.
Wow! Get a little bit intense for a fucking E-rated game, aren't we?
Actually, we're in a cave, not a tent.
Can you just retire some of these fucking jokes, please? Holy shit.
I can't retire. I've never put a tire on it.
Shut the fuck up and get out.
Diglett's dead.
You're dead.
Inside. Still another Diglett, dang it. Can't escape. Well, it was nice knowing you, Paris. Can't escape.
Okay, then.
Actually, I don't think they have a single move that can hit Spearow.
Really?
I think they only have Dig. Oh wait, they have Scratch. Never mind. This is a good place to level up Thug, though.
Thug.
All they can do is scratch him. See, this does nothing. I don't know why they're even bothering digging underground.
To make you ask questions.
Okay. Come on, there's only one other Pokemon that can appear in here. Check how much of how rare it is. Is that your checking how rare voice?
Yeah. It's not even coming up.
Diglett's Cave?
Yep, nothing's coming up for Diglett's Cave at all. You're on your own.
Well, it's Diglett and Dugtrio that can appear in here.
No.
Oh, Thug is dead.
No.
Dinky King. Dinky King did something useful.
Hey, here's a surprising turn of events.
What?
I actually drank because I actually needed to, not because the game. Yeah, I know.
Blasphemy. I'm actually just gonna go to the SSN. Next time.
Next time.
On Playing with Power.
No.
Why?
Mm.